Hello viewers, I'm ready with my next video. My next video is on English subject for class 10 again. And this time another grammar topic. In my previous videos I have already discussed active voice, passive voice and question tag. But this time I'm going to discuss degree of comparison. Degree of comparison is also an important topic related to board exam of 10th standard in Karnataka state. Now this time degree of comparison. Degree of comparison, this topic is related to one of the 8 parts of speech in English, and that part of speech is adjective. Adjective. You already know, you have already studied in your lower classes about adjective. Adjective is the word that shows the quality of a noun. Adjective is that word which shows the quality of a noun. For example, if I say white shirt, in this shirt is noun, and white, this word is showing the quality of shirt. How is the shirt? So white shirt, in this case white is adjective. Tall boy, for example, tall boy, in this case boy is noun and tall is describing how is the boy. Tall is showing the quality of boy. So in this case tall is adjective. And adjective, these words, adjectives, they have got 3 degrees of comparison. 3 degrees are there. Which are those 3 degrees of comparison? Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. And I have written some examples also here. For example, tall is positive. Taller, just add er to tall, that becomes comparative degree. Tall, taller, and add est, it becomes superlative degree, that is tallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Another example, big, bigger, biggest. This is another example of adjective, 3 degrees of adjective. One more word is there, beautiful. But in this case, beautiful is another adjective. Beautiful is another adjective. In this adjective, in this case, we cannot add er or est to make positive and comparative and superlative degree. There are some adjectives to which you can add er and est at the end and make comparative and superlative. But for example here, tall, taller, tallest, big, bigger, biggest. But there are some words we cannot add er or est. In that case, we have to use words more and most. For example, beautiful. To this word, you cannot add er to make comparative. In that case, you have to write more beautiful. Beautiful, positive. Beautiful is positive. More beautiful is comparative. What about the superlative? Most beautiful. Most beautiful is superlative. Hard, harder, hardest. In this case, you can add er and est and you can make comparative and superlative. Another word is there, popular. Popular. To this word also you cannot add er. You have to write more popular. Popular, more popular, most popular. Then cheap, cheaper, cheapest. Like this, there are so many words. You can find yourself some more. I advise you to find more adjectives and find out whether we have to add er and est to make comparative and superlative, or we have to use more and most. That is your assignment. Okay. Now, in examination, in board examination, they will not ask you these questions or like this, or they will not ask you to write the definition of adjective that you have learned in lower classes, you have done already. Adjective is a word that shows the quality of a noun. Okay. In examination, a sentence will be given. That sentence may be superlative, or that sentence may be comparative, or that sentence may be positive. And they ask you to write the other 2 degrees. Change that into other 2 degrees. That means, for example, if superlative is given, you have to write positive and comparative. If positive is given, you have to write comparative and superlative. If comparative is given, you have to write positive and superlative. Now here I have written 2 examples. 2 sentences are there. I am starting with superlative. In most of the cases, most of the time, in most of the exams, they give superlative, but it's not necessary. Sometimes they may give positive also and ask you to change into comparative and superlative. But here I have written superlative. See, the sentence is diamond is the hardest stone. Diamond is the hardest. This is the hardest. Diamond is the hardest. And the second sentence is Sachin Tendulkar is one of the most popular cricketers. Sachin Tendulkar is one of the most popular. If you observe carefully, in this case, one of the is not there. Diamond is the hardest stone. That means there is no other stone which is as hard as diamond. Diamond is the hardest. Here, Sachin Tendulkar is not the most popular, but Sachin Tendulkar is one of the most popular. That means there are also some other cricketers who are as popular as Sachin Tendulkar. So to change these are 2 little different sentences. Like one example I have chosen with the hardest, and this one is one of the most popular. So both type I will show you how to change into positive and comparative, right? Let's first write the positive. Here I have written S for superlative, this is already superlative, P for positive and C for comparative. Let's write the positive. When it is the most, it's not when one of the is not there in the sentence. It is not one of the superlative, but it is the superlative. Diamond is the hardest. Diamond is not one of the hardest. The sentence does not say one of the, it says the hardest. When it is like this, in this case, positive degree will be, positive sentence will begin with no other. No other. Remember, no other. No other stone. No other stone. No, we are talking about stone. No other stone is as hard as diamond. No other stone is as hard as diamond. This is the positive degree. Observe carefully. When it's not one of the is not given in the sentence, when it is the hardest or it is the most, in that case, positive will begin with no other. This word will compulsorily become no other. No other means there is no other like diamond. This is the meaning. So no other stone is as hard. If you observe carefully, hardest became hard here. Hardest became hard. As we know that hard is positive degree. Hardest is superlative degree. We changed it into positive degree. Now let's write comparative. Comparative means harder must be used. Harder must be used. In superlative, hardest is used. Hardest is superlative. In positive, hard is used. Hard is positive. Now in comparative, harder must come. Harder must come. So you have to. Now in this case, comparative, sentence will begin with the same noun, diamond. Here, just like superlative is starting with diamond, comparative will also start with diamond. Diamond is harder. Diamond is harder than. THAN than. Diamond is harder than any other stone. Diamond is harder than any other stone. This is comparative. If you observe carefully, harder is used here. In comparative, harder, because hard, harder, hardest. Superlative, positive, comparative. Now, this is the way we change superlative into positive and comparative when it is the most. Now when one of the comes, it is not the most, it is one of the most. In that case, positive degree will not begin with no other like here. It will begin with very few. Very few. Remember this word. Here no other, here very few. When one of the comes, positive degree will begin with very few. Very few cricketers are, because plural, so are, very few cricketers are as popular as Sachin Tendulkar. Very few cricketers are as popular as Sachin Tendulkar. Now what about the comparative? Comparative will again begin with Sachin Tendulkar. Same subject. It will begin with the same subject. Sachin Tendulkar is more popular than, here we use any other, but here we cannot use any other because he is not the most popular, he is one of the most popular. So Sachin Tendulkar is more popular than most of the other cricketers. This is the difference. Here we use any other word. Here we use most of the other. When one of the comes, you have to use most of the other. When the most, the hardest, it's not one of the, in that case, any other will be used. Observe carefully. Diamond is the hardest stone. Positive will be, no other stone is as hard as diamond. No other. Positive will begin with no other. Why? Here, no, one of the is not coming. Diamond is not one of the hardest. Diamond is the hardest. That's why no other stone is as hard as diamond. And diamond is harder than any other stone. This is how we change superlative into positive and comparative. But in superlative, when when this expression comes, Sachin Tendulkar is one of the most popular cricketers. It means Sachin Tendulkar is not the most popular, but he is one of the most popular cricketers. In that case, positive degree will begin with very few. Very few cricketers are as popular as Sachin Tendulkar. And comparative, Sachin Tendulkar is more popular than, not any other, like here, most of the other cricketers or most other cricketers. It's like that. This is how we change superlative degree into comparative and positive. I showed two cases. In case of when superlative degree is given in exam, if the sentence given in exam is superlative, then here two cases are there. I explained both the cases. And now let's see if the given sentence is positive or comparative, then what to do, right? This. For example, we have one more sentence here. We have a sentence here. This is positive degree. Very few writers are as great as Kuempu. As you know that Kuempu, the national poet of our state, Karnataka, very few writers are as great as Kuempu. Right? Now this sentence is positive, as great. Great is adjective here. Great is adjective. Great, greater, greatest. Great, greater, greatest. Okay? So great is positive. So this is positive because positive word, positive form of adjective is coming. That's why it's positive sentence. Right? Now we have to change it into, if this is positive, we have to change it into comparative and superlative. Now let's do comparative. Very few means in superlative he is not the greatest, he is one of the greatest. He's just like here. Diamond was the hardest, but here it's one of the most. So he is also, because we use very few here. We use very few in positive degree, right? Here also very few is coming. That means Kuempu is not the greatest, but he is one of the greatest poets, right? Or you can write superlative first. If you want, you can write superlative first. Let's write superlative first. Okay, so we can write superlative will begin with Kuempu is one of the greatest. Kuempu is one of the greatest writers. Kuempu is one of the greatest writers. Why are we writing one of the greatest? Because in positive degree, very few is given. Suppose in positive degree, no other writer is given. Suppose the sentence was like this: no other writer is as great as Kuempu. No other writer is as great as Kuempu. Then we would say Kuempu is the greatest. But here, no other is not used. In positive degree, very few is used. Very few writers means there are few writers who are as great as Kuempu. They are as great as Kuempu. So Kuempu is one of the greatest writers. Kuempu is one of the greatest writers. Now, what about the comparative? Comparative will also begin with Kuempu. Kuempu is greater than. Kuempu is greater than. Can I say any other writer? No. I cannot say Kuempu is greater than any other writer. No. Because there are some other who are like Kuempu, who are as great as Kuempu. That is given in the sentence, right? So we can say Kuempu is greater than most other writers. We can say Kuempu is greater than most other writers. This is how we changed positive degree. When positive was given in exam, we changed it into superlative and comparative. I showed you how to change superlative into positive and comparative, and positive into superlative and comparative, and we will discuss some more sentences. But before that, I give you some sentences. As your assignment. You try it yourself and write the answers in comments. I am writing here some sentences. You have to identify which degree is given. The given sentence is in which degree, and you have to change into other 2 degrees and write your answer in comments. Let's see how many of you give the correct answer. Here is one sentence. The Ganges is one of the Ganges, Ganga river. Ganges, Ganga river, right? Ganga. We call it Ganga in Hindi, but in English, Ganges is written and read as Ganges. The Ganges is one of the holiest rivers. The Ganges is one of the holiest rivers. And the second next sentence is Napoleon was the bravest of the generals. Napoleon was the bravest of the generals. And the next sentence is solar energy is one of the cheapest form of energy. One of the cheapest form of energy. Solar energy is one of the cheapest form of energy. And one more sentence is there. Darjeeling is more beautiful than any other hill station in India. Darjeeling is more beautiful than any other hill station in India. Comparative degree is given here. More beautiful. This is comparative. You have to change into superlative and positive. Superlative is given. You have to change. If superlative is given, you have to change it to positive and comparative. These sentences are for your assignment. Try these. We'll discuss more in next video. Same topic will be continued. We'll practice some more sentences. And this is another important topic that 1 mark question comes in exam, board exam. And I hope you all understood the video. If you have any doubt, you can write in comments. And write your answers to these sentences also in comments. And do subscribe our channel, Amir Sir Asghar Sir on YouTube. Thank you for watching.